What's up, brodies? Welcome back to another video. And today, bro, I finally copped what I've been wanting for a very long time. Now, I already know, most of my followers already know what I'm talking about. And also, I copped something else on OfferUp that I just cannot pass up on. Goddamn, what the hell is that? A damn jet? Alright, but, man, let me stop talking. Let me show you what I copped, brodies. And there it is, bruh. I finally copped a COWL hood. Matter of fact, I wouldn't even say I copped it, bro. I just got it from a great situation that just occurred. Let me just say it like that. And let me show you what else I copped for the Mustang. So I was on OfferUp, right? And I was looking through and I found these 99 to 04 Magic Drift side skirts. And it also came with the fins as well. And these things make the car look so aggressive. Now the new edge lines are already aggressive enough, so it just makes it look lower. It makes it look more dope. The flares at the end are just, it just complements the car. And matter of fact, I caught the side skirts and the fins all for 80 bucks, bro. Like, it was a steal. That's why I tell y'all people, bro, like, for these cars, y'all just need OfferUp and Craigslist. Y'all can find deals all day. So with this COWL hood, man, I'm gonna explain it more. Let's get into the car. Let's drive it. Let me show you how it is driving with the COWL hood. And I'll explain more about how I'm going to do this, what I'm going to do with it, and the plans I have for this car. Honestly, exterior wise, I feel like I'm done, but you never know. So let's get to it. Alright, brody, so I'm driving around with the whip, and as you can see, the COWL hood doesn't really obscure my vision that much from where I'm at. Now, I do have this long giraffe neck, so, you know, oh, excuse the journey noise, bro, but, I mean, honestly, to me, I don't feel like it gets in the way. Maybe when I'm parking, but usually I park reverse, so I mean, I really don't have trouble with this COWL hood. It's like kind of like the GT hood, you know how it has a hood scoop for the people who have the GT hood? It's kind of like that. I mean, you can see above it. The thing is, it does get in the way when you're trying to, you know, avoid things or trying to park. Overall, I like the COWL hood. Now, I will say, let me lay it off for you guys so it doesn't make this joining noise. By the way, if you hear a squeaky noise, that's just my shocks. As you can hear right there, hear them? Yeah, they're just going out. But back to what I was saying was, I won't be running the car like this. I probably will have hood pins just because the latches on these are attached, screwed into the fiberglass hood. So with that being said, I mean, if I'm racing, if I'm on the highway going fast, you know, there have been instances where people who run these type of COWL hoods that are fiberglass have those, have those latches, you know, ripped off or even broken off and have the hood flying off. So I am gonna have hood pins installed. I'll probably install them myself. I mean, it's not that hard. All it is just screwing in and measuring right and then send it off to get painted. I actually did buy the hood pins. They're like 10 bucks from Summit. Thing is, I don't know if I might return them or buy a different pair. Hold on, let me get in here. I don't know if I might return them or buy a different pair just because I don't know if it's long enough, or maybe it's just I want a different look. But I like the ones that I bought. I may go with them and I may do a video about it, but I would not be running the car without hood pins because I just don't feel, you know, 100% safe when driving the car without them. Obviously I'm driving right now, and that's just because I'm going speed limit and I'm not going like 1,000 miles per hour, so not like this car can even do that. But dang, that squeaky noise really getting on my nerves. I gotta get them shocks done, bruh. I swear, I got them at home too. I just haven't done them. I've just been lazy, bro. But overall, guys, I do love this COWL hood. So I'm gonna explain how I got this COWL hood as soon as it gets stationed and take some quick photos for the gram. So I'll be back with y'all. Alright, brody. So I'm outside the whip and check her out, bro. I took some dope photos. And man, she looks super blacked out. It's with these clouds, man. When you have clouds in this blue skies, it just looks so dope, the way the car reflects. I think it looks black, super black in person, but in photos, all that blue will be reflected on it. But let's get back to the hood, bro. So let me tell you the imperfections of it. So obviously you got the hood looking like a lottery ticket, scratched the hell out. You know what I'm saying? But that, and also the unevenness. So it is pretty uneven right here. That's the reason why I want to do hood pins and have it really flushed. I'll do it soon. I mean, honestly, this car's sitting. I don't really drive it that much during the fall and the winter, unless when I'm taking pics, which is around the crib anyways. But it's pretty dangerous because obviously, you know, like I said, this latch is fiberglass and it will pop off on you, brody. So I was driving around my sister's crib, right? And this girl had this hood on her V6 Mustang. And I was like, damn, bro, this is the hood I want. 2-inch cowl hood, you know, it's not that crazy. And, you know, it hasn't been painted, so it wasn't whatever with me because you already know, like, I be painting hoods like a mother. I mean, they come out like crap, but it's whatever. So I saw the hood and I was like, damn, bro, I really want it. So matter of fact, you know, I wanted it so much, I went up to her crib and I knocked on the door and I was like, bro, I need this hood. I was like, would you trade me for my hood? And she was like, hell yeah, I would. So we did the trade and there she goes. I mean, she got my Cobra V6 hood, and I mean Cobra / V6 hood, and I got the cowl hood. Now obviously mine was painted, hers isn't, but I didn't really care because I've been looking for a cowl hood for so long, bro. This is like my 3rd try going for a cowl hood. But check her out, man. And those splitters just do it justice. Dang, man. And being in this area just makes it pop even more. But let me get out the way because people are over here playing, so. All right, Brody, so we made it back home and the Mustang is done for the day. I still need to do an oil change. I got the shocks ready to install them, and I got the hood pins laying over here. Let me show you guys. I just took them out the package just to see what was going on with them, and got these washers, the screws, the pins themselves, and this washer right here that goes on top of the hood. And I was just looking at that, and I'm done with installing the fun things like the side skirts, the fins, and the cowl hood. But now I gotta, do the not the harsh stuff, but the really, the stuff that's not fun. The reason why I didn't do a video on the side skirts and fins, because honestly all it was just screwing them in, and I mean, you don't need a detailed video about that. And the hood, honestly, I didn't want to do a video just because I didn't want to jinx this, man. Like, I've been wanting this hood for so long. All my followers, my homies know that I've been wanting this hood for a very, very long time, especially in this size. So finally got that done. I can't wait to get that, sent to get painted. And before that, I might have to do the hood pin installation. So let me know if you guys want to see a video about that. But I also want to thank you guys so much, man, because we're almost at 1,000 subs. If it wasn't for y'all, me starting in February, none of my videos would have been, banging like they are right now. I wouldn't be close to 1,000 subs, and it's just out of my imagination that this channel has reached that far. So it's pretty dope, guys. Please keep showing love, because that goes to show that you guys want to see more of this car. By the way, you see how it's all murdered out? I really want to tint these out even more, like just have them black. Let me know if I should do that, because honestly, I feel like that's what's missing in the rear. Still dope. Either way, thank you guys. Shout out to you guys. Please DM me if you got any questions, or if you have information that I could use, please let me know, because I really am open to any conversation. So thank you guys, and see y'all till the next time.